Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a Shopify dropshipping store, allowing you to launch your business quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. To get started, visit the Shopify website and sign up for a free trial. Fill in your email, password, and store name, then click Create Your Store. This is where your dropshipping journey begins. Step 2. Set up your store preferences. Once you've created your account, you'll be directed to the Shopify dashboard. Here, you need to set up your store preferences, including your currency, language, and other basic settings. It's important to customize these to fit your target market. Step 3. Choose a theme. Go to the online store section on the left sidebar and click on Themes. Browse the available themes and select one that aligns with your brand. You can start with a free theme or purchase a premium one to get more features. Remember, a visually appealing store is key to attracting customers. Step 4. Customize your theme. After selecting a theme, click on Customize to modify your store's appearance. Here you can add your logo, adjust colors, and rearrange sections to create a visually appealing layout that reflects your brand identity. Step 5. Add products. Now it's time to add products to your store. Use a dropshipping app like Oberlo or Spocket to find products that match your niche. Import products directly into your Shopify store, ensuring you include high-quality images and compelling descriptions to entice potential buyers. Step 6. Set up payment and shipping options. Navigate to the Settings tab and click on Payments to set up your payment methods. Shopify supports various payment gateways like PayPal, credit cards, and more. Next, go to Shipping Settings and define your shipping rates and zones based on your preferred shipping method and market. Step 7. Configure taxes. Don't forget to configure your tax settings. Shopify offers options for automatic tax calculations based on your location, ensuring compliance with local regulations. Ensure you understand the tax laws in the regions you plan to sell. Step 8. Launch your store. Once everything is set up, it's time to launch. Click on the Online Store tab, and under Preferences, uncheck the password protection to make your store live. Congratulations, your Shopify dropshipping store is officially open for business. Step 9. Promote your store. Now that your store is live, it's important to promote it. Utilize social media platforms, run targeted ads, and consider email marketing campaigns to attract traffic. Engaging with potential customers will significantly boost your visibility. Step 10. Monitor and optimize. After launching, monitor your store's performance using Shopify's analytics tools. This will help you understand customer behavior and sales trends. Continuously optimize your store based on insights and customer feedback to enhance their shopping experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips on growing your online business. Happy dropshipping!